Quran 15:9, surely we revealed the message, and we will surely preserve it. This statement emphasizes the divine promise of preserving the authenticity of the Quran in its original form, from changing throughout the course of time. Some remarkable evidence supporting this claim is the preservation of ancient manuscripts found in various locations, like the Topkapi manuscript, dating back to the early 8th century, which is housed in the Topkapi Palace Museum in Istanbul, Turkey, and the Sana'a manuscripts, unearthed in the Great Mosque of Sana'a, Yemen, in the 1970s. These manuscripts are believed to date back to the time of the Prophet Muhammad. Also, the Birmingham Quran manuscript, which was found in the University of Birmingham's Research Library in England. Radiocarbon dating placed this manuscript to the early 7th century, making it one of the oldest Quranic manuscripts ever found. These manuscripts are the earliest copies of the Quran, and their contents align precisely with the Quran we have today. Click the link in my bio to get Unbroken Quran Challenges on Amazon.